I was compensated for this review. This is the Silvery bed sheets. They are silver infused. So let's open them up and see what they look like. They come in beautiful packaging. So these would make a great gift for someone. They feel kind of satiny, so very smooth material. Let's go put these on. Here they are on the bed. This is a queen size. They fit my bed perfectly. They come with the two pillowcases and then the top sheet and the fitted bottom sheet. And they have that self-cooling silver fabric. So this is perfect for hot sleepers, which I am one, so I can't wait to sleep on these. They also have a self-cleaning technology, which eliminates 99.9% of bacteria. That is pretty impressive too. And they just feel luxurious, like you're sleeping in a hotel bed or something like that. So super nice, and they have that silky kind of feel to them. And they actually have a risk-free trial of 100 nights. So you could sleep in these for 100 nights, and if you don't like them, you can return them. Super impressive. I hope this review helps.